Hi, hello, namaste, adab, vanakkam to everyone present here. Hey guys, what's up? What is the good news today? Please comment in the section. Welcome to Believe Random channel. Most surprisingly, psychological acts that can make us better understanding for ourselves and other people. Understanding the psychological acts, we can do anything which we can. Learning something new about ourselves is interesting, enthusiastic, and entertainment. Today we are going to discuss about 10 psychological acts which make your life easier. First act, you look beautiful the day when you do shampoo your hair. Yes friends, why? Because our beauty depends upon our hairstyle and hair. We look greater if we have greater hairstyle and greater hair. When you do hair bath, our hair will shine. It make our face also attractive, gorgeous and beautiful. So friends, to look attractive, do hair bath. Second act, how many friends do you have in your mobile phone and how many friends do you chat with them weekly, monthly or daily? Psychology says that if you have 500 or 600 friends on your mobile phone, you only spend quality time with few people only by sending a message, photos, videos, or else talking them in a phone. Third act, we feel happier when we are busy. Why? Because when you are not busy, you will feel like more impatient, dissatisfaction, frustrated, anger. This is because our brain dislikes to wait for anything for 10 seconds. That's why our brain prefer to stay busier. For example, if our internet or network suddenly becomes slow, we feel like frustrated, anger. We can't wait for single second. We walk here and there. We talk with ourselves in that time. Our mouth is filled with unparliament words. When we are busy, our brain releases more dopamine chemical, the hormone of happiness. That's why we feel happier when we are busy. Fourth act, we can't ignore three things in our life. First, food. Second, sex. Third, danger. Food, sex, danger are the things which are most important to us. Without that things, we can't stay alive. Without food, people die. Without sex, new species were not born. Without danger, our life is not a guarantee factor. We can't predict what will happen to us in the next second. Fifth act, friends. When you talk with our close friends or relation, we share all our joy, sadness, best experience and also some secrets. Please do not share any secret to girls. Psychology says that the average amount of time a woman can keep a secret up to 47 hours 15 minutes only. After that they will share your secret to some people. So friends, what do you think about this psychological act? It is correct or wrong? So girls, please tell your opinion in the comment section to know more information about this psychological act. Sixth act, travel boosts our brain health and decreases a person's risk of heart attack and depression. Why? Because when our brain sees a new atmosphere, new environment and new area, our brain becomes excited, enthusiastic. That's why most people prefer window seats in buses, cars and train while they are traveling. So friends, plan your traveling weekly or yearly to feel excited and happier. Seventh act, people who speaking multi-languages may unconsciously shift their personality, character, attitude. Without their knowledge from one languages to another languages, their personality, character and attitude changes. Psychology says that when you are speaking multi-languages, your character's attitude and personality eventually changes. Eighth act, if you can't stop your thoughts at night, get up and write down the thoughts in a paper. Now your brain starts thinking about the thoughts which are coming at night. Friends, I have tried this method. This method is working absolutely correct. psychological hack. Ninth hack. You are feeling happier right now? Please comment in the section. Psychology says that when we are happy, the less sleep we require. Why? Because when we are happy, dopamine chemical is released. It makes our brain active. Our brain did not feel drowny, tired because of happiness. If you are happy, the less sleep you require. 10th hack. Countdown makes our heart beat faster. Why? Because psychology says that when we are counting faster, our breath rate increases. We inhale and exhale more amount of oxygen. In that case, our heartbeat also increases. That's all. Top 10 psychological hacks in English. Thank you for watching our video up to end. I think you have gained some knowledge about the psychological hacks. If my video is useful to you, please like, share to your friends.